Hello students, welcome you all once again. In this class, we will be learning the second type under complexes of coordination number 4. The second type is square planar complexes. In the previous class, we have learned the first type, that is tetrahedral complexes. Okay students, complexes of coordination number 4 are divided into two types. First one, tetrahedral complexes, which we have learned in the previous class, and the second type is square planar complexes. Okay, so what is a square planar complex? Which complex is called as a square planar complex? These are the complexes in which central metal ion is involved in d-sp2 hybridization. Okay students, understood? So the complexes in which central metal ion is involved in d-sp2 hybridization are called as square planar complexes. Okay, so the example taken under square planar complexes here is NiCN4 minus 2. It is named as tetracyanonickelate 2. Why is it called as tetracyano? Because Cn minus is the ligand and there are 4 Cn minus ions. Hence it is called as tetracyano. Nickel is the central metal atom, but we have added Ate as it is a negative complex ion and 2 is its oxidation state. The atomic number of nickel is 28. If we observe the outermost shell electronic configuration, it would be 4s2 3d8. Okay, the valency shell electronic configuration of nickel is 4s2 3d8. Okay students, in this complex, nickel is in +2 oxidation state. Okay, so the oxidation number of nickel in this particular complex will be +2. Okay, now the electronic configuration of Ni +2 is 4s0 3d8. Okay students, understood? So the electronic configuration of Ni +2 in its outermost shell will be 4s0 3d8. Okay, so the first point again, valency shell electronic configuration of nickel 4s2 3d8 and its oxidation state is +2. Hence Ni +2 will have the electronic configuration as 4s0 3d8. Okay, if we observe the figure below, there are 4 vacant orbitals, 1 4s and 3 4p orbitals. Okay, and also notice one point, the ligand here is Cn minus, that is cyanide ion. Okay, so what type of ligand it is? My question for you, is it a strong ligand or a weak ligand? Okay students, you know the answer for this question. Cn minus, is it a strong ligand or a weak ligand? Do you remember students? Cn minus ion is a strong ligand. What happens in the presence of a strong ligand? The single electrons will be forced to pair up. Okay. So hence if we observe the electronic configuration of Ni +2 in the presence of Cn minus ions, it will be as shown below in the figure given here. Okay. So the single electrons will be paired up. Okay. So 1 3d orbital, 1 4s orbital and 2 4p orbitals, that is Ni +2 is involved in d-sp2 hybridization. Okay, so in this particular complex, Ni +2 is involved in d-sp2 hybridization. What does it mean? 4 d-sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed and they are oriented in square planar manner. What is it students? 4 d-sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed and they are oriented in square planar manner. Understood this point? Now, these 4 dsp2 orbitals, they overlap with the completely filled atomic orbitals of 4 Cn minus ions in order to form 4 nickel Cn sigma bonds. Okay, students? The single electrons will be forced to pair up in the presence of strong ligand, that is Cn minus ion. Hence, Ni plus 2 is involved in dsp2 hybridization. So, as a result, 4 dsp2 hybrid orbitals are formed and they will be oriented in square planar manner. Okay, so these 4 dsp2 hybrid orbitals, they overlap with the completely filled atomic orbitals of 4 Cn minus ions in order to form 4 NiCn sigma bonds. Okay, so look at the electronic configuration of NiCN4 minus 2. So the 4 dsp2 hybrid orbitals, they are occupied by the pair of electrons donated by 4 Cn minus ions. Okay, students, understood? So this is about the electronic configuration of NiCN4 minus 2. If we observe the magnetic property of this complex, there are no single electrons. Why? Because Cn minus is the ligand here. So all the single electrons will be paired up. So there is no single electron. So what would be the magnetic nature or magnetic property of this particular complex? It is diamagnetic in nature. Very good. What is meant by diamagnetic nature? The complex, it will be repelled by the external magnetic field. Okay, students. So observe the shape of this complex NiCN4 minus 2. It is a square planar. Okay, it has a square planar structure. Okay, students, this is about square planar complexes. Fine, understood? So here the central metal ion is involved in dsp2 hybridization. Okay, so we have taken the example NiCN4 minus 2, which is called as tetracyanonickelate 2. Okay, students. So, and it is diamagnetic in nature because there is no single electron. Why? All the electrons are paired up because of the presence of strong ligand Cn minus ion. So, understood? So, hope I made this also clear. So, write down all the points in your notebook. Don't neglect and read well and practice well. Okay? Thank you, students.